Well, I'm working on the Rusty Wallace Thunderbird, his car from the early 90s, and yesterday I got all the painting done, well, all the spray painting done, the main painting. I did the body, which I accidentally got some overspray on the underside, so I'll have to just give that a coat of paint once this all dries up. Let's see, I got the frame, which is in multiple pieces here, done up in this gray, which is, according to the directions, what it's supposed to be. I got the rims painted up here, the engine in Ford blue, and I think that's about it. So all I really have to do is some hand painting. On the frame here, you've got the drive shaft and the transmission. You've got the oil pan on the front suspension and the exhaust here. I have to paint the seat, the pedals, the netting, these foam pieces on the driver's side roll cage, and there's a couple of them on the crossbar here, of those foam inserts, pieces, whatever they are. Transmission on the engine and the exhaust on the engine. Alternator on the serpentine belts. A little bit on the head here with the radiator hose and such. And I think that's it. No, I got the reinforcement on the glass. 3 reinforcement bars in the rear and the front window. And that should be it. So this is a really quick build. Really nice little kit. Really easy little kit. It did come molded in color. I didn't need to really paint anything. But, add a little detail. Except for the rims. The rims came chrome, but they're very most definitely black. So that's really the only thing you had to paint. And honestly, you could paint this with brushes. I just felt like doing it with spray paint. And the I can look at the frame tree. It's really look at the plastic. I just put primer on it, and the plastic really isn't all that different from the color I put on there. It's a little lighter gray, but honestly, not huge difference. So, I should be able to finish this up really quickly, just with another couple hours of work. So we'll see that in a second. Well, here it is, done. Nice little simple 2-day build. Paint once, painted it yesterday, and then today I just assembled it and put the stickers on. Pretty easy. Painted the transmission and the oil pan and the drive shaft, and also got the engine in here and assembled. Not much going on here. Just a nice basic little engine block in there. Painting the transmission on the engine doesn't matter. Won't ever see it. So let's see here. The most difficult part was actually some of the stickers are not cut correctly. So like the boss sticker there isn't cut correctly. The name isn't cut correctly, and the stickers would love to just adhere to the paint. You get them about that far away from the paint, and they just right up to the the car. So I had to place them several times, and I think that's the only issue I really had with this build. Is just kind of annoying to put the stickers on. And oh yeah, also I glued the body on, and then I was handling it incorrectly and put my thumb here, and I broke the glass, or not break it, it's not attached. I just came on unattached, and it's going to be like that forever and annoy me. But hey, them's the breaks. So yeah, it was a fun little 2-day build. I've kind of got a little 1/32 scale collection going on here. I'm not sure why, but I do. I also have this Datsun here to build. But yeah, that's my collection thus far. I got the Stingray done. I didn't really show this off. I wasn't really happy how it came out, but it's pretty close to what the box is. Decals are from 1983, and they're not the best. So this is the other Stingray. I just threw this together like I would have as a kid, just for the funs, just for funsies. I love this. I had this as a kid, and I love this one. So that's it for this build, this quick build. I will catch you guys next time.